Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your Instagram account from business to private. So first open up your Instagram and then click on your profile icon here. As you can see, right corner, click on that and then click on professional dashboard. As you can see, click on that and then click on this little gear icon here. As you can see, click on that and then scroll down little bit. And then as you can see here, switch account type, click on that and then click on switch to personal account and again click on switch to personal account, and after that click on back again and then click on this three dot here, three line here, click on that and then click on settings and privacy and scroll down little bit and click on account privacy, click on here and then just turn on these options, private account, and then switch to private, click on that and then back. So now as you can see, my account it's private now. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.